Photo, Reuters photo, Reuters photo, Reuters photo, Reuters photo, Reuters 1 of 5 James Anderson became the most successful pacer in Test cricket history, with 564 wickets as England beat India by 118 runs. 2 of 5 kiloliters. Rahul scored 149 and stitched a partnership of 204 runs with Rishabh Pant to delay the inevitable. 3 of 5 Pant smashed his maiden ton in the Oval Test as he scored 114. 4 of 5 Virat Kohli finished the series as the highest run-getter with 593 runs. 5 of 5 Alistair Cook bowed out of international cricket on Tuesday. 10th State of the States Conclave 2012 India vs England Test Series. Social media integration. KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant's centuries went in vain as England registered a 118-run win in the Oval Test to clinch the series 4-1. It was also Alistair Cook's last international match. Preview _5B9805, 5C57, C61,536,689,500 _1,338,205 _ At a Tuesday, September 11, 2018, 23:30.